A friend asked how to repair glasses when the temples are broken. Another friend replied to weld two steel bars onto them. I think that's probably not appropriate. So today I'm sharing a video on how to repair glasses. This pair of glasses has damage in two areas, the nose bridge and the temples. Let's start with the nose bridge. First, roll 2 balls of cotton. Soak the cotton in acetone or nail polish remover, and then take it out. Place the 2 broken ends of the nose bridge into the cotton balls. Let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. Take the glasses out of the cotton balls. At this point, the broken area has been corroded and softened. Quickly align the broken parts together. Let it set for about 15 minutes. The plastic at the broken point will basically fuse into one piece. This repair method relies on the fusion of plastic and is much stronger than using glue. Finally, you can dip some solvent to refine the edges to make the break less noticeable. The second part is the temple where the metal hinge has broken. Here, we need to replace it with a new one. First, secure the glasses for protection. Use a soldering iron to heat the damaged metal hinge. Once the plastic beneath the hinge softens, it can be removed. Then heat the new part and place it into the original position. Use the soldering iron to firm up the plastic underneath. Since the metal parts and plastic parts of this type of glasses are integrated, there's no way to disassemble them. So the temple can only replace the metal part by dissolving the plastic. Although these two repair methods are more troublesome than using glue, they are absolutely strong. If anyone has anything else they want to repair, you can leave a comment, like, subscribe, and check my other video for more tips.